Hey guys, it's Kimmy Cat here, and today I'll show you how I make my crispy fried chicken. This is my recipe, you guys. I want to share it to the world because I want everybody to wow their family, their loved ones, their friends. And Christmas is coming, so if you're looking for a good fried chicken recipe, this video will teach you how to make the best fried chicken. Simple and easy. You don't need a lot of ingredients. Let's get started. Alright, so this is a very simple recipe. You don't need a lot of ingredients, like I said. And you can always mix and match according to your taste. You don't need to follow the exact same recipe, the herbs and spices that I'm going to be using. All I want to show you is how to make really good crispy fried chicken. Alright, so to this chicken, I have about a pound here of chicken. I added, these are chicken drumsticks and chicken thighs. You can use wings or breasts, whatever you want to eat. And to this, I added some salt, some chili powder, some cayenne pepper. You can always omit the cayenne pepper if you don't want something really chili or something really spicy. I have Old Bay seasoning. And again, if you don't have Old Bay seasoning, you can always use just salt and pepper. Or you can use Cajun pepper, Cajun spice seasoning, which is more or less the same in a way, taste-wise for me at least. And I added some pure ground black pepper. You don't want to eat something that, like pure or whole ground black pepper. You don't want something powdery because you don't want to be biting on some black pepper when you're eating fried chicken, right? So basically you just marinate your chicken for at least 2 hours. And after that, I'll show you the next procedure. Alright, so while the chicken's marinating, I'll show you how I make my super uber duper crispy coating for my fried chicken. And this is what you must do in order to achieve that. To this, I have 2 cups of flour. And my secret recipe, my secret ingredient is a 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch. That's right, you have to add cornstarch. It adds a little bit of lightness to the coating. It doesn't make it really sticky in a way. And you're gonna have to add like half a cup of bread flour. In this case, I have panko breadcrumbs, not bread flour. Breadcrumbs. I have panko. Right? So to that, I'll add about a tablespoon of white pepper powder and paprika. And again, you don't have to follow the exact same spices and herbs that I'm going to be putting to this. It's all up to you. I'm showing you how to make the coating. Right, so sorry about that. And I'm adding some onion powder. Some celery salt, which I love, by the way. When you're cooking fried chicken, you have to add a little bit of celery salt or celery powder. Some garlic powder. Old Bay seasoning, you can't miss that, or Cajun spice seasoning. And obviously black pepper. Oh my god, I forgot the chili powder, BRB. Alright, so call me weird, but I love my chicken spicy and hot. And by spicy and hot, I mean really scorching hot. So I have here some chili powder, about 2 tablespoons of chili powder. And some cayenne pepper. I love spice. And you can also add some habanero powder if you want to make it even spicier. Actually, I'm going to go add some habanero powder. Alright, so I'm going to add about a tablespoon of habanero powder. And again, you don't have to follow the exact same recipe. I just happen to love chili and spicy food. So, to each their own. Mix and match, like I said. And I didn't put any salt here because I already put like celery salt and garlic salt together. So I don't want to make it extremely spicy. So you just want to like mix that for a good minute, just to let the flour incorporate with those ingredients that I have put. And the next thing that I'll show you is how I make my my batter, which is extremely simple. All right, so for the batter, all you really need is a cup of flour, a cup of water, and 2 eggs, and that's it. You don't need a lot of ingredients for this. You just want to make something that resembles like a pancake, like a loose, runny pancake mixture. And so yeah, you're gonna whisk that. So a cup of flour, a cup of water, and 2 eggs. Something really loose like this. See how it doesn't stick to my whisk? That's what you want. And you're gonna, like for me, like I said, I love chili, so I'm gonna add some chili sauce. Might as well just use the whole bottle. So all right. And I'll show you the next procedure. We're gonna finally fry our fried chicken. All right, guys, so I do want my batter to a little thicker than this. So I decided that I want to add about half a cup of flour to make it a little thicker. It was too runny. But still, you don't want this as thick as a pancake batter. You want it to be a little bit runny and loose like this. Like you don't want it sticking onto your whisk or fork. And what I did with the coating mixture, I put it in this little baggie here. And this is the best way to coat your chicken without messing your kitchen, messing your hands or anything. It's so easy. You just have to put it in there and do a little shake and you're good to go. So, all right. So what you're going to do now, here's your working station. You want to add, this is plain flour right here. You just want this so that the egg and the coating mixture will stick to it properly. Will adhere to the chicken properly. So like this, coat it gently, like so. And then shake any excess flour, put it in your egg batter mixture. Get a second one. And you just want to shake that off, any excess like again. And you just want to like make sure that everything is coated. And you want to put this into your little baggie. So 1. Oh, so you're gonna want to shake this first. All right, and put it aside for a couple of minutes. Like that. And next one, into the bag. And you just want to do this for until you finish all the chicken. And we're gonna go to the frying section of the fried chicken. I'll be back. All right, guys. So here I have a deep fryer. You can always obviously use like a pan fry to deep fry your fried chicken. You just want to put this in medium to low medium heat for about 12 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken. So let's start frying. And don't overcrowd the chicken. You just want to like make sure that there's enough space for everything to crispen up. All right. So about 15 minutes, and we're gonna be checking our chicken in about 15 minutes. Low, medium heat, okay? Alright guys, now that our fried chicken has finished cooking, this is what they look like. They look really, really good. Super crispy. Oh my god. We need to start putting this on the plate, serving plate now. Alright, so this is our fried chicken. As you can see, it's very, very crispy. It looks crispy enough to eat. Well, let's try some skin. I love chicken thighs, so I'll have this with a tot. First bite, guys. That's really, really cooked. Oh my god. Look how juicy it is.